What's happening, guys? I'm Aiden from DK Stream. Today's video is on this Fiesta ST, which we're doing a TIG welded back box delete. So it's gonna sound sick, so let's get it. Okay guys, so you can see that we've got the MIG welder over here. What is happening, obviously, because of the system, Ryan is going to be MIG welding the flange on, and then from there it's going to be TIG welded over the axle to the back. So what exactly are we going to be doing for this little build?
The guys requested a TIG welded system. Honestly, I could have just chopped right before the back box here and give him a straight piece of pipe.
Yeah.
I think a lot of garages would have done that. But he wanted something pretty, something that he can take photos of, I'm guessing, put on Instagram. Yeah. So I'm going to give him a couple mantle bends over the axle. Okay. And that'll just give him, I don't know, someone to take a photo of, I guess. It's no real benefit to the car, but it looks pretty.
Yeah. And that's exactly what he wants, isn't it?
He wants a pretty system.
What tips have we got? A nice dual exit.
Dual exit straight here, look at these.
Nice.
Prefers the straight edge rather than the rolled edge. Okay. And he don't really want the slash cut. So I think that'll work really nice in that gap there.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look, guys. Yeah, that'll look nice. If it was straight. But yeah, guys, so obviously the customer has requested a nice, pretty system, and that's what we're going to give him. Hopefully it'll sound a lot better as well. These do sound really nice with the back box delete as well. Nice little cars, these. So yeah, we'll let Ryan get on with his job. Okay guys, so Ryan has been hard at work on the new system. Oh look, a little bit of polishing. Woo! So explain exactly what we've been doing. So obviously I hit it off. The last bit was that we were MIG welding a flange. You've had to do another flange, haven't we?
So MIG welded a flange on the original system, used some 90-degree mandrel bends to come up and over the axle. But when I put the box in place, couldn't quite get it back over the axle, so we put another flange.
Okay, but this one's TIG welded, and it looks absolutely beautiful.
I mean, the only reason we've gone over the axle is because the customer wanted a little bit extra pipe.
Yeah.
Usually
beautiful
on
welds.
Deletes, we would just cut out the back box.
Yeah.
So because he's wanted a little bit extra pipe, it's meant I've had to build further and use multiple flanges to connect TIG welds to original.
Yeah. Looks really nice though, isn't it? So guys, as you can hear, it sounds absolutely incredible with the new back box delete and the small resonator as well. So, if you want this on your MK7 Fiesta ST or any other car, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you in the next one.